Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Logitech G935, and now I can show you how to enable the microphone on these headphones. To do it, first you need to enable the headphones, so find the buttons on the right panel, and here you will see the power button, so you need to drag it up. Then you will see that LED panel with lights, and it will means that the headphones are enabled. But now we need to enable the microphone. So so on the right headphone you will see the mic, and you just need to open it. You will hear the blinking sound, maybe blinking or beeping sound, I don't know. And here you will see the microphone. You can make it longer, a little longer, in this way. So as you can see it here. So here is the mic, here is the head of the mic, and you can make it longer. You can pull it. You can make what you want. And great, that's it. Then close the mic and disable the headphones when you are not playing games. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.